Welcome back, guys. So today I'm focusing on a quick no foundation makeup tutorial, one that you can achieve under 10 minutes. I'm gonna start this off by applying my lip balm from Aquaphor. I'm gonna put the specific name down below. I'm using my Revlon Prime Plus primer. This is mattifying and pore reducing, they say, and it's also a great skincare primer. So I literally focus this product in my T-zone area. I only apply it to the areas I know I'm gonna apply a bit of concealer. I do not put it anywhere else on the face that I know I'm not gonna apply any cream. So for concealer, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, real OG, in the shade Pure Beige, and I apply this to all the areas that I would usually highlight. I wanted to go a few shades lighter than concealer that would not match my skin tone because I wanted a little oomph. So that's what I did. I got a damp beauty sponge to blend this out, and I took my time. It was super easy. I tried to not use too much product because, I mean, that's the aim. You do not want a full face of makeup. You want it to just look, you know, nice and presentable. You understand? You don't want something that is going to take too long to blend, or, you know? So, you know, a little product goes a long way, of course, with good skincare, because I feel like that's the number one thing to achieve flawless makeup. You need to make sure that you're taking care of your skin. So yeah, after I was done with pretty much blending out all of the concealer in all the areas that I applied, thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful. I went ahead and I got another LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this time I took it in the shade Fawn. So I do have a few spots on my jawline, and I'm just going over those spots. They're not as bad as the other day because I've been really working on my skin, and you know, it's looking much better. So I took a small detail brush to blend that out, and yeah, so you only need to do this, that's if you have any like spots or hyperpigmentation, you just want to balance out the face. That's all, that's it. So now I'm going in with my Sheglam Insta Ready powder, and this is what I used to set all the highlighted portions. All the portions I applied concealer. Now it's all preference, so if you went ahead and use a powder that's more your shade, then you could go ahead and use a powder that matches your skin tone. You know, it's all up to you, but I wanted this this highlighted look, so that's why I opted for that. So for the rest of the face, I took my Milani Warm 109 press powder. You know, this is another OG, and I've been here using all these products. I've totally forgot to mention to you guys that I'm literally just focusing on using drugstore products today. I went ahead and even used this powder in the crease of my eyes and dragged whatever was left on the brush down on the side of my nose. And I know it looks harsh at first, but trust me, it wears down in the skin so nicely. Over time, it melts down really, really nicely. And then I went in with these lashes from Kiss. That looks really good. For mascara today, I'm actually using my Covergirl Exhibitionist, and this is the shade Extreme Black, and focus that at the base at my natural lashes. And I also decided that I wanted to amplify my lower lashes as well, because I love a good lashed up look. No matter how light or natural I'm going with my makeup, something about just bringing life to those lashes with the mascara, there's something about it I just love. So this is how we're looking, and we're at the final step. I pretty much just removed the balm, kind of, you know, and pat around my lips with some of whatever powder was left on my brush. And today I'm taking my e.l.f. lip gloss. This is actually the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer. It's just a clear gloss, super simple. And I didn't want any liner, anything like that. I just wanted to look refreshed and simple, you know, just clean girl soft vibe. This is such an easy look to achieve, guys. Trust me, it's really not a biggie. If you're new to makeup, just take your time, practice, you'll get it. I didn't even clean up my brows to get them like super snatched, as you can see. And I really like the effortless minimal look. Let me know what you guys think. This is my super easy makeup look that I do when on a regular basis when I don't feel like doing too much makeup, believe me. So yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put all the products used down below. Go ahead and check out my description box for that. That's it for today's makeup look. Let me know in the comments which look you'd like for me to do next, and I'll definitely make note of that. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.